Now you're really in luck today because if you click on this video, you're going to be learning about the top 3 sites to earn money online fast and make money in minutes right away. So if you land on this particular video, you're in luck because I'm going to share with you how you can do this and how you can crush it. And if you stay all the way to the end, if you're from India and you're watching this video, I have a special surprise for you. So that way you can even make more money just by watching the video all the way to the end. So this is my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And as you can see right there, we just, doing online businesses over the years. We just bought our home. So this is our beautiful home. And this is what happened when you're consistent. You consistently work hard on yourself than you do for anybody else. You can get anything that you want in life. But these are the videos. It's not about me. It's about you. I'm going to help you get started and help get you rolling. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, just welcome. And for the people who watch my videos over and over again, let's get it. I love you guys for keep coming back to the videos. So check out some of these videos if you haven't yet, because there's a lot of value in these videos that can really help you. And most of these videos can make you a ton of money, and some of them will make you a little bit of money. So if you apply what you learn here, I can guarantee you're going to see some results. But if you don't do what the video explains, it's not going to do you any good. So top 3 sites to earn money online fast and money in minutes. The first website that I want to share with you is this website. You can earn money just by giving back. Design, you can participate in surveys. You can do, reviews on products, and you can make money. So if you want to become a tester, you can click on here and then you could just set up an account. It's quick and it's easy to set up things. And all you're going to do is you're just going to test creators' preferred ordinary people over professional designers and developers. So rather get the honest truth from people like you and people like me, rather than they go out and they try to help or they try to get professional advice from people already. So if you got a PayPal account, sign up for one. If you don't have one, but if you do have PayPal, you're in luck because you're going to be getting paid using this particular website. So right over here, they pay like 20 cents USD per credit earned. So most tests are like 1 to 2 tests per response, and the payouts, once it reaches $10, you can just withdraw it. And these are real-time notifications. So you got to remember, this is not going to get you super rich, but it's going to make you some money. And the reason why I make these videos is just to get people rolling, so you're not just sitting around twiddling your thumb. You can come on this particular website. It's called usercrowd.com, and you can start making money right away. And when you make money, you can cash out and you could save up. You could buy little things here and there, and that can help you get started. Now, here's another great website, and this one will probably make you a little bit more money than this one, because this one really don't pay. But if you do this and you do this as well, you can accumulate all that money and you can get started right away. So this particular website, you can become a researcher. So you're going to get great advice. You can get on the team. You're going to try Wonder Now, effortless and flexible. So you can do this. This is what people go on here, and they want people to give research on websites, different products, and they do more of like an analyst. So it's more of an analyst website. So here are some of the websites that and big companies that they work for, like AARP. This is huge. If you're from the US, you'll know. Bloomberg is huge. City Ventures. You're looking at KPMG. This is Aspen Dental. So these are some huge companies that they work with. They work with these people. And if you want to become a data analysis, and you want to do some researching for them, you could just sign up. You don't need to click on here. This is for unlimited projects for an hour. This is if someone wants to come on here and they want to use this type of service. And they started at like 59 bucks. So it's trusted, it's a private, it's anonymous. You can apply here if you want to become a research analyst. Just click on this, join the team. Once you click on here, you can put your first name, your last name, put your email address in. Where do you live? You could do that and make sure you mark that off right away. So once you do that, you'll be well on your way to start making money. And as I mentioned, I told you I was going to give you a bonus at the end of this video because the bonus is going to be good. And I do think that other people can use this as well. So this is Earn Caro. Caro is an app that they share deals. They earn money from home. And you could just come on here. You could sign up for. Because I got some people from India. They always reach out to me and they say, Andre, can you find something that can work? And I went out and I made sure that this is legit. This is something that you can get started on. You don't need any investment into this or any of the things that I did mention in this video. So this is an app that you can download. You can also make your own profitable links. So you can make your own links as well. You can share it on different social media. They got travel, they got food and grocery, there's fashion, there's customer support, there's payment option. You can transfer the money directly to your bank. You can redeem your Earn Caro profit as an Amazon or a Flipkart gift card. So zero investment, you don't need to invest into this. This is a great place that you can start. You can make a little bit of money here and there, and you could just download it. There's some great reviews so far. There's over 5,000 downloads. So this is going to get real popular. So anybody that's out there right now, go ahead and download this, especially if you're from India. You don't want to wait because this is not a lot. This is just getting started. They have a lot of 5 stars. They got like a couple 1s. There's some 3s and there's some 4s. And people are just saying amazing things about these apps. So make sure you download it. Make sure you jump on it. Start making money. Like this person right here. You can get cash back over and above regular offer and always more than the competition. So it is seamless. People are enjoying it. And you and I both know that once a lot of people start using this, it's going to get crowded. So if you want to start making money, I recommend you go and download this app and you start to share this immediately. The last update was August the 12th. Install so far is like 500,000 installs. People are downloading it. It's 5.0. Offered is at Cash Caro. So you could view their website. You could check out their website and see what their website looks like. This is what the website. You can earn money online up to 20,000. You can share it in WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. You could join. You can sign up. These are 3 easy steps. Find deals, convert into profit, share, and earn profit. So you can watch this video. These are some of the different companies that they work with. So I hope you check out these great websites. Go start now. Get started. Don't even wait. You want to see my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.